We'll have the handing over of the flag to the captain from His Excellency the President as a representation that you have the blessing of His Excellency the President and the country as a whole to represent Kenya. The handing over of the flag from His Excellency the President to the captain, Baron Ochieng.
Of this team, right? Let me repeat. Mr. Byron Ochieng, this is the flag of Kenya. I'm handing over this flag to you as a gesture of the people of Kenya, the government of Kenya, and myself, of goodwill and our very best wishes as you lead this team of talented young men under 20 from Kenya. As you go to these finals of the under 20 AFCON games, you have our support, our goodwill, our prayers. And Byron, in honor of this team, I'm handing over this flag to you so that you can fly it high. And I look forward to receiving this flag from you. You promised me that you will surprise the world. Did you?
Yes.
My very best wishes.
All right, thank you very much, Your Excellency. We'll now take our seats as we proceed with the rest of the program. Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the president of this great nation, and Team Kenya that are on their way to Egypt. Your Excellency, sir, with your permission, allow me to now invite the FKF president, Hussein Mohamed, who will come and make some few remarks before we proceed with the rest of the program. Karibu Sam. Tumpigie makofi.